Lết văn sa chi ya dan simpen ye ngau mau kena mau sana trong keseng khotip nari video medang
Sekarang ada yang batik, hari ini masih jemput saya mau kepada pilih yang ngaplah. Pantai ular, stop.
Kebanyakan yang ambil belum. Nilai kena banggang, nilai kena bang. Nilai kena banggang, harga kecil kesulit, harga ya, harga ini. Nilai kena aku belum. Dan nanti aku senang kedok masih, senang kecil dengan dalam masih kena hati lembah dan sebagainya. Tapi nilai kita dan tinggal di kita apa dengan sebagainya. Panjang kita dan
Bak bising to ya thuk khana no spanggan e ka jing thung mau benam tak ski
te kumpala kali ngan jumpa pe ya ka jumpa kepada hi kumpala kali reporter te nadu ke minta kasih ke kasih tung te kedar tarik pernah besipau arajara kusan te ngiwan bu ya gini mau benar na keleng kisnong namar wan bu hne kalong ke bajenjar ili apun hadu sau buai teli kita gi mau benar kemlong ke basuk wan bu ne mau benar ne lu sepat beneng te kalong ke si ke ba krawe hagane ke por namar minta kasih ikur ki ka gelayawan na keleng kisnong ke per kiseng kasih internet seng kasih ba per kita kasih serai keleng pelun ni te banwan tung ya lagi jong ki mau benar ki badai ki mau benar ki bansa nam ha ki hau ne uluk sepat beneng jongi ki ba kita ki mensyua ki long syua ki mensyua jongi ki bala kila peluang yang ne uluk ba tentang pa PTV nama ne ulum jongi de ulum ba kerpang tam ha kanega ri kasih jongi kalong kum keben hang ne ha rika si jongi ulum udai ulum ubakentang tam na banta jongi gikun nyau trap nyau skum kuptang ide ban nyau kor ha bangi wanang neru imdai bangi yala klumar bangi wanda ka ba imtip play kuma pitip he aga tin kasih he akan yang kasih imtip play katahi kemudian kam akan nega yo i gigine ki mau benar ya ini pila menring ini pila yo i kila yo wantung daki sengkasi ki baper lagi jogi mau benar bang sanam ya kalawe kala syai haka peteng joki hagi longdin ki mandin pan ngi ngila le pha menta keno tam ya ki longdin ki mandin lai kemut ne lu mo bakentang ladang ila ben le hadu kene ki benta kalong ka bakong san haka longdin ke mandin pat katahi ke badan kam haka ne ga pertega haka juk ke bamenta ladang imla ban pen scam ya ka baki long shwa ke man shwa jongi kila bu pateng hangi kam long nong rim chu bangi di mas la pertero ngiru kum ki kun samla kiseng kasi ki baper na ka bentahi baki longdin ki mandin jongi kila ai benta ne kila pasat kila bu ya kan ka benta ka bakong san haka ne kecing im ka bangi im benta ngiru ngis na du ka men sim ngi wanang ne ki kun ki hajar hang ne ki wan na keleng ki kentai ki kena samla
Sabi ko po, kung sing kasi sing me. Kenrat uba kanai usna artho maarthosa ani hamba kapi kaparka kapabasa nukda nukde temu yang ikiko kiseu henyaku nyatrat ai kateng kasi moka kepo moka kekio yaki mo lone doki lone damai saka upasaka ani ayai yudang bakai kentrat yang ani matang kijing ketku kendok toda.
Nah, bentar kita telah borok, bentar keski layo pan pening, saupun pilih ki mau benda sadam, ki belawala, lagi nak seksi senlah, nak keleng dari kesi dan dia. For general information to all, today is a historic day where we've been able to monoliths brought by different units of Seksi Sentra.
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Responsibility in preserving and protecting this ancient tradition at the sacred site of Ulom Sopet Beneng, the Honorable Governor of Meghalaya, Shri C.H. Vijay Shankar. We welcome you, sir, to this auspicious occasion at this sacred site of Ulom Sopet Beneng. We also extend a warm welcome to the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Shri Preston Tinsong, and Shri Sanbor Shulai, Cabinet Minister, Arts and Culture, Government of Meghalaya. To move on with our program,
Suara sepang kana jong lulus perbeleng katokan ni. Men bata sinsar ka hok kasikenti. Hakapor jong ayam siar bat kasutijuk. Ka kana ke tu bagi han riutrep ki kan yu skum. Hakaba uyakiu ya hiar lengba ke jengkeng siar nakliar une ulum bakentang ulum sopet beleng. Lengba kemayan belai unyeu nakine ki kan riutrep wan hiar satbian. Kalaiti kalapan bat kalapan kso hau unyeu rengkat kalong niam long kom kalong riti kalong dustur ya ki bala pensiong norim hakabor jong ka tip hok tip sot tip riu tip lay tip kur tip kha bat ka akor ka burom ka jengking ster ulum sopet beneng ka syong menta hakamen sim bat ka donut jong way po way nama de lengba ka men sim siar man la kasni man la kastet da ka jing sacred honor and privilege to extend a warm welcome to the Honorable Governor of our state to this historical event. We are truly grateful that you have accepted our invitation and make time to pray us with your esteemed presence, even with your busy and tight schedule. Your presence inspire all of us in this gathering. Wish you robust health, happiness, and continued strength to guide our state with wisdom and compassion. May your visit today to this sacred peak of our race bring blessings to us and foster goodwill among all. To bless like a unang say sibun ba bab kerhai kijinga ya baro manyo ya kakot kakiatra bat banyabit ya biang baro. Kublai sibun sia jamu you blai trakandara.
I'm deeply delighted with the presence of the Honorable Governor in this momentous day that we have in this hilltop, which is known as Lom Sopet Penang. Sir, thank you so much in spite of your health constraint, but still, out of love and affection to the Sengkhasi Khmer, you made it happen today. Before you take the stage, sir, the elders of the Sengkhasi, they took you to that sanctuary and they prayed for your good health. And I'm sure when you leave this place, you will find a solution and good health. So I don't want to talk much because time is also running out. Thank you so much for the invitation that I should also be part of this celebration. And Pak Sanbor Shulai, who is also part of yours, the Honorable Minister of Arts and Culture, all the dignitaries who are here on the stage, but Kamtam Shibun I Kublay Piki Pai Ba Jong Kiseng Kme Kiseng Kasi Kidkot Jong Kaseng Nakaleng Saujong Jong Kabri Unyo Trep Kibia Don Lang Hakane Kajan Meet Kane Kade Kasngi Bat Kajan Meet Kaban Pensa Jingkan Mau Kaletiya Kabashispa Arhosan Snem Jong Kaseng Kasi Seng Kami Kalapen Kaya Ki Unit Kiba Per Baper Hapo Kabri Unyo Trep Bat Ngangech Kemru Banang Ne Shakmat Pinang La Shushu Ya Kaban Multiply Ya Kane Kajing Shakri Hapo Jong Kabri Unyo Trep Barokoi Tinga ay kublay pisa sisin pat kanya kijing laki kabasis pa arposan snem bat sa tanang katu kani teli kita yo pin saya penkut ia kan ka celebration ka badap sispa arpusan stem ngangej kem bau trai kenrat nongbu nong thau unang yalam susu yakin nong yalam jong ka sengkmi ki unit ki baper ki circles ki baper ki badon hapo jong kabri uhanyau tret ujongi koblei siajangu ya kiramba jong kaseng kebela penkopru yangi yakaneka turban kebingong. Sir, I think the way they put us in the turban, I remember those days. 3 greatest personality in Meghalaya. Number 1 is Utirot Singh, number 2 is Ukyang Nongba, and number 3 is Patikan Sangma. So you signify that, sir. It signifies that. So you looks like Tirot Singh. You looks like yes. You looks like exactly like Tirot Singh. Patukan Sangma, and also you looks like Kyang Nongba. Then I could play Saishin, but ya pi barok. Kit khot jong kaseng dongin yami nang ne uneu de ulum kentang obanne pateng la pateng banga kremen skem baka jaj benri jongi kanang suthi batru kanang im nakawe ka pateng sakwe pat khoblei pi siajamu
khoblei sibon ya pi
Okay, it's all right. Very good evening to all of you. No sound. Very good evening to all of you. Probably it is an unforgettable day for me. I never forget this day. As soon as I entered here in this sacred hill, the way how you people receive me, that warm welcome, then all of the peace of this community taken me to that sacred place where you people always believe during our forefathers' days. There is a direct ladder to the heaven. There is a direct connection to the heaven. In that place, all of you, priests and seniors of the community, you have prayed for me, for my health. This kind of actually prayers never going to waste. Any prayers never going to waste. In that way, I am really very grateful to particularly this community as if you have done prayer for me today. And secondly, I know very well the historical background of this place, religious background of this place, social background of this place, cultural background of this place. All your sentiments, all of your sentiments carry with this hill, So in that way, it is my opportunity. After I come here as a governor after 14 months, every day, whenever I used to travel to Guwahati, all the times I think, when that day comes, when I come to this place and got an opportunity to visit this place. You see, God's grace, my sincere prayer from many months, ultimately God allowed me, God allowed me, all the seniors of the community, very dignitaries of the community, made up your mind and you have united me here, and all of you blessed. Really, again I tell you, I remain grateful to you forever. Shri Prishon, Tensong, Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Shri Shanbor Sholai, Honorable Minister of Art and Culture, Department of Meghalaya, respected dignitaries, forever Kosi, now people is not merely a geographical location, but a divine symbol of origin, righteousness, spiritual purity and truth. The history of faith and culture, wisdom embedded in this line remained as that the spiritual connection between the Creator and humanity continues through prayer, through purity of thought, and through the deep belief that goodness must always be out of guidance light. But here, I would like to say one thing by standing here. It is not only applicable to me, not only applicable to the people who are sitting on the dais, it is applicable to the whole people. What is that? What is that? One do not know. One do not know their historical background, their own history, their own tradition, their own historical background. Who do not know their history, they cannot create history. They cannot create history. Our forefathers, they have created such a history. Our forefathers have created such a history. They were able to reach heaven directly from here. We have to think now.
All facilities like road connectivity, water connection, and other facilities at Ulum Super Penang in assisting the Sengkasi in preserving the area in and around this sacred peak. However, we humbly seek your esteemed support on the following issues. Number one, declaration of Lau Nong Tro at Ulum Super Penang as a heritage site. The area holds immense historical and religious importance. Recent excavation and field study have revealed compelling evidence that Lau Nong Tro is an ancient settlement. The site